Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of brain-computer interfaces, specifically focusing on Elon Musk's Neuralink and its latest developments. If you've ever wondered how technology could revolutionize the treatment of paralysis, you're in for a treat. So Neuralink, you might have heard the name thrown around in tech circles, but what is it exactly? Neuralink is a company co-founded by Elon Musk, aiming to create a direct interface between the human brain and computers. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Here's the scoop. Neuralink has recently started human trials for their brain-computer interface, or BCI. The first trial took place at the Barrow Neurological Institute in Phoenix, followed by another at the University of Miami's Miller School of Medicine. The focus? Checking the safety and functionality of their N1 implant, a wireless device designed for people with spinal cord injuries or ALS. Let's talk about some early successes. Noland Arbaugh, the first implant recipient, reported a significant improvement in his quality of life. Imagine being able to control a computer mouse, play video games, or even use design software with just your mind. That's the kind of impact we're talking about here. But Neuralink isn't the only player in the game. Over in China, the Institute for Brain Research and New Cyber Neurotech are making strides with their own brain chip, the Beinow No. 1. This semi-invasive wireless chip has already been implanted in 3 patients with more trials planned. And they're also working on a fully implantable version, the Beinow No. 2, aiming for human trials within the next 18 months. Back to Neuralink, they're currently looking for participants aged 22, 75 with limited hand use due to spinal cord injury or ALS. There's a set of eligibility criteria including English proficiency and a stable caregiver. If you're interested, you can register through Neuralink's US Patient Registry or clinicaltrials.gov. Of course, no groundbreaking tech comes without challenges. Neuralink has faced scrutiny over rushed experiments and animal testing with ongoing FDA and SEC investigations. Plus, there are long-term safety, accessibility, and affordability questions that need addressing. Despite the hurdles, the potential here is enormous. A world where people with paralysis can regain independence and improve their quality of life is within reach. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious.